Today we're checking out this BLACK+DECKER portable AC unit we ordered. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and get it set up. All right, here's the unit out of the box. This is the different pieces that it comes with. Everything looks like it's here that needs to be here. So I am now going to put this together and get it running in our window. See how well it cools the room down. All right, and here it is installed. Super easy install. This was probably one of the easiest installs I've had for one of these portable air conditioners, and this is why. So most of the air conditioners that I have running on a window go down here at the bottom of the window, right? It's a window that goes up and down. Well, on my son's window here, his moves left to right. So to do that, you have to have it going vertical, and to do that, it has to be tall enough to go up and down the entire window. So this is one of the only portable ACs. Actually, it is the only portable AC that we have out of 4 units that we own that actually comes with this plastic piece, this insert that goes into the window that can expand large enough to go from the bottom of this window all the way to the top. So I love the fact that it can do it. That's one of the reasons we specifically picked this AC unit for my son's room here, is because his room is the only one that has this situation where we have to go vertical. All the rest of them go down here in the bottom of a window that we can find in the room. So if you need to go vertical, this one has a really large plastic insert that you can modify, super adjustable to go from small to really big. And the hose fit really well. I like the way that this was nice and compact. It's 10,000 BTUs, but it's still nice and small, and it fits in this little cubby here that he has next to this shelf. So this worked out really well for this room. We have run it for, today would be the 3rd day. Awesome. I mean, we've had record heat here in Texas every day pretty much, and it has just made his room so nice and cold. We could literally freeze him out and turn this room into a refrigerator if we wanted to. But mainly what we're trying to do is to bring these rooms down 3 to 4 degrees. We're setting the main unit in the house higher, and then we're setting the rooms lower to try to save electricity. And it's doing great. It's cooling down, your personal space, the space that they're in the most, and then the rest of the house is still comfortable. But again, these AC units are trying to work so hard to keep the temperature down because it's so hot here this summer in Texas. But anyways, this thing works great. I love the fact that it's got all of these features in the remote. You can turn this unit on from the remote. It keeps the temperature settings and everything in it. But the cool thing too about this one is this is not a unit that you can't operate without the remote. Sometimes you lose the remote and you're just out of luck. This one, if you lose the remote, you might lose some, ease of moving around and turning this on. But this one has everything you need right here also on top. So all the different modes, the temperature settings and everything else, even the timers, I mean, you can do right here from the top of the machine. So I really like that. It's not loud at all. Now, a portable AC unit's not going to be super quiet. I mean, you're not going to not hear it. But when it comes to actual AC units, it's pretty quiet. I mean, it provides enough white noise to sleep, but he can still play his video games and everything else, and it's no issue at all. Like I said, we've been running it a couple days now. I've asked him how he feels about it. He said he doesn't even hear it. So anyways, I hope that this information was helpful. Hopefully it helps you make a choice on what you need for your room, but I would totally buy this one again. Well, thank y'all very much for watching. Y'all take care.